And today we are thrilled to have with us, in studio with us, the talented and versatile actor Shreya Pilgaonkar. We're talking about sanitation and toilets. Shreya, thank you for joining us today on this very critical conversation as we launch season 11. Have you ever faced any personal challenges when you're shooting in the interiors, in remote areas, because there's not a toilet there? Tell us about that, because I think people would want to know, because this still happens.
Absolutely. Firstly, a big thank you to Eddie TV, and I've been sitting here and listening, and I think listening to all of you has been extremely informative. Hi, Ayushman.
Hi, Shreya.
I would say that these conversations are so important because conversations around sanitation and hygiene are not just for the privileged. I think it's so important that at the grassroots level, at that micro level, we see a practical application and awareness of this. I will say, as an actor, I'll admit that several times these are questions that we ask, that when we're shooting in remote areas, will there be toilets? And I see the women asking these questions much more than men. But I do feel in the past few years, especially in villages or remote areas, I do see that change. I do see women actively asking for equal access, especially for toilets. Because at the end of the day, sanitation and hygiene is really, that defines the foundation of the quality of your life. And I will take this opportunity to also talk about the dignity and value of our sanitation workers, because I feel like they are the ones who are literally going down there to ensure that life is clean for us, so to say. So I feel like, as citizens and for the dignity of labor in this country, it's very important to make sure that they get that respect and good facilities to ensure their safety as well.
एब्सोल्युटली आई थिंक डॉक्टर अश्विनी, अगर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूं यहाँ पे, जैसे श्रेया जी ने कहा, हम बात कर रहे हैं कि टॉयलेट्स कितनी ज़रूरी हैं। इम्पैक्ट की अगर हम बात करें, आपने तालुका में क्या देखा है जब से स्वच्छ भारत मिशन आया है, ये कैंपेन बनेगा, स्वस्थ इंडिया काम कर रहा है जो हमारा कैंपेन, 10 सालों में आपके तालुका में हेल्थ को लेके कितना इम्पैक्ट आया है और इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट ये, क्योंकि ये भी कहा जाता है, यूनिसेफ ने एक स्टडी की है कि करीब 50,000 रुपये एनुअली बचते हैं अगर पूरे परिवार की सेहत ठीक रहे, तो इट्स अ बिग इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट.
Definitely. Actually, I have been working in the taluka you have just mentioned. I have been working since 1 year, but I have started my journey with this since like 6 to 7 years back when I visited Chhattisgarh state. In that there is Jashpur taluka district. So वहाँ पे हमने 300 गाँव में हमारी मेडिकल टीम गई थी. वहाँ हमने देखा, वहाँ में एक्चुअली ट्राइबल एरिया, मतलब उनके घरों में जाके उनके पास में खाने का कुछ ये नहीं है वगैरह, ऐसे मतलब पॉवर्टी, पूरा जो आदिवासी एरिया है वहाँ पे मैंने देखा है. दे जस्ट डोंट नो कि हैंड वॉशिंग भी कुछ रहता है, मतलब दे डोंट नो दैट आफ्टर डेफिकेशन यू हैव टू हैंड वॉश ऑल्सो. सो दैट वॉज द कंडीशन आई हैव सीन. और जब मैंने यहाँ पे हमारे मालेगांव तालुका में भी देखा, so the period like 7 to 8 years when this campaign of Swachh Bharat Mission, then also the NGO like Plan India are working since then. I think the impact I have seen is कि अब अगर हम जाते हैं वहाँ पे तो वो उनको जो स्टेप्स है, एक्चुअली हैंड वॉशिंग की जो स्टेप्स है, वो हम भी शायद फॉलो नहीं करेंगे उतने टाइम में, तो वो आपको सब करके दिखाएंगे. द बिहेवियरल चेंज एक्चुअली हैज़ हैपेंड, मतलब उनका एक वो हैबिट हो चुका है. जैसे पहले उनको ये पता भी नहीं था, बट अभी वो देखने मिलता है उनमें. और माल न्यूट्रिशन जो है, जो मतलब बाकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स वो फेस करते हैं, वो भी बहुत हद तक कम हो चुके हैं.
सो काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट आपने देखा है.
यस मैम.
अश्विनी जी, आप जैसे लोगों से मिलकर पता चलता है कि ग्रास रूट लेवल पर क्या हो रहा है, एंड इट्स अ डीप इनसाइट. आई वुड लाइक टू गो टू प्रिया नाउ.
I think also the mental impact, that's something we, Ayushman and I were talking earlier in the day, क्योंकि जब हम टॉयलेट की बात करते हैं आयुष्मान, I mean we think physical well-being, but हमने देखा Shreya, there were kids in the morning saying, principal shared with us कि किस तरह it makes an impact अगर बच्चा स्कूल मिस कर रहा है, the attendance is affected. Ayushman, you wanted to ask Shreya about
mental health? Of course, Shreya, I just worked with your mother recently in a Dharma Sikya film. It was a pleasure working with her. And we were talking about mental health issues, and she told me that you're vocal about it. And hygiene and mental health, they're closely related. So how does it impact, and when should we be vocal about it, and when we require the help, कब हमें बोलना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल, आई थिंक जिनके पास ईजी एक्सेसिबिलिटी होती है ये इन चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं है, विच इज़ वाई प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक दीज आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंट्री एज अ होल टू रियलाइज दैट वी आर ऑल इन दिस टुगेदर। हाइजीन की ऐसी बात है, अगर एक इंसान को इफेक्ट हो जाए उसका इफेक्ट हो जाता है, स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन, बिकॉज लाइक यू सेड, if, say for example, education systems provide good meals, good schools, you see people actually going there, but that should also be in your own home to begin with. And when you speak about mental health, मैंने एक short film की थी called What's Wrong, which talks about how we really need to not judge people or judge ourselves, and there is no right or wrong when it comes to this. And it's wonderful to see that whether it's celebrities or people from various walks of life be so comfortable to share their mental health journey. And these are really small steps, but they're very impactful in the larger scheme of things.